Today's a big milestone for you and your family. We want to be the first to thank you for buying your first home with XL Homes. This is our 15,000th possession. We wanted to celebrate that milestone with you by doing something special for you and your family.
On behalf of XL Homes, we'd like to present you the keys to your brand new home.
Thank you!
One of the things that we liked about Excel is it's a very pragmatic set of floor plans, and it makes it good for a family like ours.
So we did over $15,000 worth of extra value in their home, including all of the landscaping, the fencing, we roughed in some AC, we added a gas line for the barbecue, plus a big new barbecue full of all the accessories and barbecue sauces and everything you could possibly wish for, a new washer and dryer, some floating shelves in the kitchen, and so much more. We really wanted to make them feel at home. It's a huge milestone for our company to hit. We've been around since 1988, which is over 35 years, and to hit 15,000 homes really is just like a true honor for us as a company. We're just so proud of it. So we wanted to celebrate today by surprising our 15,000th possession with some extra value added to their house.
We were very well taken care of, everything was easy.
It feels amazing.
Yeah, like I said, one of the coolest things that's happened to me. I don't win contests very often, so.
No, we feel very, very blessed.